Hi, I'm Charlie with Modern Exterior out in Bayview, Milwaukee, and today we are responding to the crazy storm damage from July 28th. You can see here, some folks had more damage than others, and this home will definitely have all of the repairs paid for by the insurance, but there's going to be a lot of things that are going to be needed to be restored as far as the framing, roofing, fascia, gutters, and then residual damage. Nearby homes are affected, so this homeowner here has gutters that are damaged up on the top. His gutters damaged here, his railing was knocked off here, and then taking my ladder up top, you were able to see that the fascia boards were damaged too. So what may seem like somebody was unscathed, upon further look, they took more damage than you might think. So if you think you need a damage assessment from Modern Exterior for this storm, give us a call and we can come out. We work with insurance all the time and we'll help you get everything paid for. Once again, I'm Charlie with Modern Exterior, and thanks for giving us a watch here.